If you're looking to manage leads or clients without expensive software, you can build a simple CRM using Google Sheets. Start by creating columns for key details like name, email, phone number, company, lead status, last contact date, and notes. You can customize these based on your workflow, whether it's sales, outreach, or support. To keep things organized, use data validation to create drop downs for lead status like new, in progress, or closed. You can apply conditional formatting to highlight important leads or overdue follow ups based on dates. This makes it easy to stay on top of what needs action at a glance. For a better overview, add filters to sort or search through your contacts. You can even create a dashboard or another sheet that shows totals by status, upcoming tasks, or your more recent activity, just using formulas and charts. And since it's all on Google Sheets, your CRM is easy to share and it's accessible from anywhere. This helps you set up a more organized system. Follow for more practical ways to use Google tools for your workflow. And yeah, if you got any questions, drop them down in the comment section. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Yeah, until then, I'll catch you in the next video.